All right, Ernie, here's your 582 cubic inch big block Chevrolet. Obviously, it's Airboat specific. It's got a set of RS cast heads, Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, custom grind hydraulic roller. Got our custom built Stefs pan. Going to make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,300, 712 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 753, peaks horsepower 725, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple of things here. See if your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card, it is full of technical information. In the crate will be this spec sheet. Highly recommend reading all that. Have a great day.